Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava at home without an oven. We'll cover everything from preparing your ingredients to assembling and cooking this delightful dessert right on your stovetop. Get ready to create a crispy, sweet treat that will impress everyone, all without needing to turn on your oven. Let's get started with the basics. First, ensure your phyllo dough is completely thawed according to package directions. This prevents tearing. Next, finely chop about 2 cups of your favorite nuts, like walnuts or pistachios, for the filling. Finally, gently melt 1 cup of unsalted butter or ghee. This butter will be crucial for achieving that golden, flaky texture we all love in baklava. Now for the assembly. Carefully layer your phyllo sheets, brushing each one generously with melted butter. After every 3 to 4 layers, sprinkle a portion of your chopped nut mixture evenly. Repeat this process until all ingredients are used. Then, gently cook your baklava on a stovetop griddle or a large, heavy-bottomed pan over low heat until golden brown and crispy on both sides. While your baklava cools slightly, prepare a simple syrup by simmering 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water until dissolved. Once the baklava is warm and the syrup is ready, slowly pour the warm syrup evenly over the entire dessert. Let it soak in completely. Garnish with extra chopped nuts, then cut into pieces and serve this delightful, oven-free baklava.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.